Are you looking for a way to make money online? Have you lost your job? Are you feeling the financial difficulty through the time we're living right now? If you are, in this video, I'm going to reveal the top 3 work from home ideas that you can start today. Hey guys, so today we will be talking about the top 3 work from home ideas, but first and foremost, I want to wish you and your family, the best. I want to send my prayers out to you guys because we're just living in a time right now that it's just crazy. We weren't expecting this to happen. We weren't ready for this, and it's new. It's different for all of us. And if you're like me, most of you have lost your jobs. I just saw research that 3.3 million people have applied for unemployment, and that's still not the end of it. That's just what they have on the statistics right now. And I'm part of that statistic because I lost my job temporarily, but I don't know when I'll get it back. Fortunately for me, I've been involved with affiliate marketing since the end of 2017, and thanks to that, I've been able to make, a passive income online. It's not nothing crazy, it's not a lot, it's not as much as I make on my job, but I'm averaging around $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing. So it's something. And now that I have this time freedom, I can grow my business stronger because I'm not restrained to my 50 hours a week job, where I can take advantage of this time. And I think you guys should all do the same. We have a lot of time to be spent at home now. We're quarantined. We're stuck in our houses. Take the time to invest in yourself, invest in knowledge that will help you, make more money. Because if we stick to our jobs, depending what you do, but still, if you're not happy, if you're not feeling fulfilled, if that doesn't make you happy, then, working from home, having that time freedom, traveling, spending time with your kids, with your family, not missing birthdays, like, that's the dream. At least for me, that's the dream. I've already sacrificed so much for my job. I'm only 26 years young, but I've been working since I was 19, and that's not as much as many of you probably watching, and some of you haven't even worked that much, but that's a lot of time invested in building someone else's dream when I could have been building my own dream, and I could have positioned myself, for a better today. Let's say I would have been into this since way back. I probably wouldn't be worried or struggling during this time, during this pandemic. I'd be out there giving, helping other people, donating. But I'm not in that position, right? I'm not where I need to be. And I want you guys along with me, to succeed, to push forward, to do better. And that's why I'm dropping this video. But before I even go straight into these top 3 ideas, I do want to offer you my free mini course in affiliate marketing. Everything you need to know from the basics of starting it off, just getting started with affiliate marketing. I have the link down below, and you can sign up today. It's free. And if you have any questions, join that Facebook group. I'm gonna get more involved in that Facebook group. I've lagged on that group in the past, but now that we have all this time freedom, this is what I'm diving in my entire energy into: affiliate marketing and helping you succeed, helping myself escalate and grow my results. And let's just do this. But all right, guys, so let's go into what you are actually here to watch, right? These top 3 work from home ideas. So let's dive into my computer. Let's go. All right, guys, we are now in my computer. So back to what you were waiting for, the top 3 work from home ideas. I am your host, Mike Valle, and let's get to it. So number 1, e-commerce. Learn how to start an e-commerce business from the comfort of your home. So you can start an e-commerce store out of anything. You can, right now that this COVID-19 is going on, you can start this whole hand sanitizer store and just sell your own homemade hand sanitizer. Now, I didn't want to put other things like masks and whatnot because I know people are capitalizing on that, but me personally, I just think it's unethical to try to capitalize on masks that might not even work. If you're just using fabric and it's not gonna prevent you from getting COVID-19. So I prefer to stay away from things that don't seem right to me, at least. But hand sanitizer, that's different. Hand sanitizer is nice to have, it's convenient, and a lot of places are out of it. So that's something that you can actually start today. Make your own hand sanitizer. Other things that you can sell on an e-commerce store is handcrafted items, things that you create yourself, clothing, pet products, and things like that. I can give you an example of a few Shopify stores. Well, before I jump into these stores, first let me give you the breakdown of how e-commerce works, right? So to have a whole e-commerce website, there's many different platforms. There's Magento. There's a few other places that you can create your own store, but Shopify is proven to be one of the best places to host your very own website. So you build your business on there. They make it super easy. Not only that, but they have a free trial. I'll have the links, all the links to this thing, I'll have it down below in the description. But they give you a free trial. They help you, start off your journey. It's super easy. You can track your sales. You can make product descriptions. They have templates that make it super easy to create. You actually get credit, Google credit. I think they give you on your first account $100 free in Google ads spent after you spend, I think, 25 bucks. So that's pretty cool. It's easy to manage the transactions, easy to manage refunds. It's all on there. They already have a partnership with USPS, UPS, and FedEx that give you competitive pricing. They have very good support, and as you can see here, they have over 1 million businesses in 175 countries, and that have made over 155 billion sales just on this platform of Shopify. So it's big, guys. It's really big. It's one of the best. To me, it's the best. I've actually hosted a store on here. I'm hosting one on the side that I have going on. So I mean, I fully vouch for Shopify. It's a great platform to use. Now, to give you examples of stores on there, I'll give a shout out to Stephanie. I know her personally, and her store, she started this business, Skin to Sew, about a year ago. At some time in 2019, I saw her, starting her thing off, and it's very inspiring how she started from nothing, and now she's blowing up her store, she's blowing up her Instagram, and it's really good because she has a message, she has a purpose that she's trying to reach people with mental health and all kinds of sorts and things, and it's great. As you can see, it's a very beautiful design, and you can just check it out right there. Another store that you can actually take a look at is Kylie Cosmetics. She hosts her website on Shopify as well. As you see right here, it has a very nice design, really easy to use, add to cart, get sent to the cart, and yada yada. So I mean, Shopify is a great hosting software, and now that's one thing you can do. Okay, so another thing you can do is start a dropshipping e-commerce site. So a dropshipping e-commerce site is selling a product at a higher price where you don't even touch the product yourself. You sell a product, you buy it from the distributor, and you keep the profit. So to show you an example of that is pretty simple. So you see these stores here, bluecrate.com. They sell a lot of random things here. This is a dropshipping store. This store actually buys things from like AliExpress, and then resells it for their own price. So you see here, snore silencer. I've seen this product in so many different places, so I know AliExpress has it. So a snore silencer is $9.99, right, on their website. If you go on AliExpress, and sorry if it starts loading really slow, but on AliExpress you can buy a bunch of things for cheap price. Again, my stuff is loading slow because the internet just sucks. So many people at home using it, that I'm sure a lot of you guys are going through the same thing where your internet's slowing down, and it just sucks, guys. Now this is kind of cool. A little blade sharpener right here for $6.15. AliExpress always hooks me. But let's see, a snore, what do they call it? Snore stopper? Let's do that. Snore stopper. A lot of different products that help you stop snoring. Let's see. Let's go. Oh, look, right here, snoring device ventilator, 97 cents to $1.27, and they're selling it for $10. So they're profiting right there, $8 per product sale. This is a drop shipping store, guys. They literally go and source from AliExpress, do not touch the product. They order it from here. They put the customer's address on there and they ship it on there. You leave a little note to the AliExpress distributor from China to don't put any marketing, any thank you cards, so it doesn't show that it came from China, or it came from, you know, a third party, and just sell it. That's what a lot of people do, and they make a lot of money. Dude Gadgets is also a successful drop shipping store, and you can see that they have just a bunch of different products on here that catch people's attention. So pretty cool things. I mean, look, a little holder for a camera, $24.99. What is this? Camera lens coffee thermos? That is crazy. It's a coffee thermal that looks like a lens. Wow. And all these products, you can probably most likely find them on AliExpress, get them for cheaper, and just resell. And that's what a lot of people do. For this, I am no expert on e-commerce drop shipping, but Kevin David is an expert Amazon seller and e-commerce Shopify store creator, and he has a free training. You can go and check it out. So learn the secret improved version of Shopify dropshipping by launching a viral brand on Amazon. He has a free webinar where he gives you so much value, guys. All you have to do is put your email and you get the free training. I have the link to this as well in the description below. So you could, if you are interested in this one, you can go this route and look into this Shopify e-commerce selling online business. Now, jumping on to number 2. And this, for me, would be my second favorite. The favorite, I'm leaving for last because that's the one I do. That's a little preview of what's to come. But this one's my second favorite because I actually sold on Amazon back in 2017. I had a brand on there and I actually had made over $10,000 in sales. And, you know, that was amazing. It was a great experience. But at that time, Amazon shut down my account, and instead of being persistent and fighting it, I just let it happen. And now 2020 is here. I'm grateful that I'm in affiliate marketing now, but getting my Amazon account back is extremely hard. And at the end of the day, you don't want to rely on a third-party source. You know, you want to have your own brand and, you know, be able to make money on your own without relying on a third-party source. But at the end of the day, Amazon is a good place to make money. If you do have a brand that you want to start or a brand that you already started, you can do this on Amazon, and they make it super freaking easy by starting an Amazon FBA store. So pretty much what FBA means is it's a store where they fulfill the item for you. So if I go ahead and go to their website here, pretty much they help you grow your business with FBA. What FBA means, it's fulfilled by Amazon. You do not touch the product. You do not have to worry about that. Amazon picks up the product, they pack it, and they ship it for you. They also offer the customer service right here, provide customer service of these products. So you don't do anything. You're just the founder, the creator of your company. You ship out that product to Amazon, and then they do the rest, and the money comes in. It's that simple. Of course, you have to find a good, successful product and get all the gist of this going on. Step 1, you set up the store. There's legal stuff that go into this when you're setting up your account, that they look into your background and stuff. Step 2 is you create your product listing. Then you prepare your products to make sure you are following their guidelines. And then your products are shipped to Amazon and you start selling. And there you go. That's how simple Amazon FBA is. It's a pretty good source of income that you can do straight from your house. You don't even have to, you know, hold the inventory. You can source it from the company that you're sourcing from and have it shipped to Amazon. Also, for this one, Kevin David again has a free training just for that, and I'll also have the link for the Amazon training down below. But it's a webinar where he goes on for like an hour or probably longer and teaches you exactly how to sell on Amazon step by step, with no experience, with no technical skill, or a huge investment needed. So if you have no experience in this, reserve your seat today and you'll get that free training from Kevin David. Now going to my favorite, and you guys knew this was it because I'm an affiliate marketer and this is what I do, is affiliate marketing. So selling someone else's product and make a percentage of the sale. Why is this my favorite? because you literally don't have to deal with any customer service. You do not have to deal with any product. You do not touch the product. You are not liable for the product. So like Amazon or e-commerce, right? If your product has, I don't know, chemicals in there that can harm someone, you're not liable for that. You're not the creator of the product. The company who created it is liable for that. You're just promoting products that you believe in. You know, in my opinion, you should always start an affiliate marketing website based off of things that you use on the daily, things that you know, love, things that you know about, and you can actually vouch for them. That's the best way to make a successful affiliate marketing brand. So if you see here on my website, it's all about making a passive income. Right here I have a free training for that 3 mini video that I mentioned earlier. I also have a blog post that talk all about affiliate marketing, and I have an affiliate marketing group that I'm gonna be more involved in, where you can join and we could build an affiliate marketing community. Under the resource tab, I also have a bunch of things. Let's wait for it to load. Resources of actually things that I use. So Bluehost, where I host my website. Elementor, the theme that I use to host my website. ClickFunnels, the landing page service that I use. Builderall, I also use it for landing pages. And Odie's course that I actually took. Those are things there. I have downloadable resources. There'll be more in times to come. For now, it's a 100 niche idea for affiliate marketing, completely free for you to download if you go right there to my website and get it. You know, you'll have a whole list of niche ideas. But touching back into affiliate marketing, if you want to learn from the best, then you learn from my mentor, ODI Productions, who has made millions of dollars with affiliate marketing. I actually had the privilege, if you can see here, that's actually myself and Connor, another one of his students, that went to his house in San Diego. Beautiful mansion. Love the freaking infinity pool. It's amazing. It's beautiful. His Lamborghini, it's nice. We got Jonathan here, who you made over 1,200 in a single day, and now he's made over 14,000. My boy Jonathan is crushing it. He joined around the same time I joined, and look at him. I'm proud of this guy. He's crushing it. If you scroll down, you see my testimonial when I made over 2,000 profit in my first 8 weeks. You got Miguel here, and you just got more testimonials. And I have this link as well, so you can go ahead and check it out yourself. But to know what you actually get is you get exclusive one-on-one mentorship from Odie himself, which is priceless. When will you have a millionaire, you know, mentor you one-on-one? And things that you learn in there is millionaire mindsets, productivity hacks. He goes over case studies of how he made over $500,000 with a niche authority website. He goes over other case studies where he's generating 10 to 20,000 per month just from one product. This one was crazy. I loved that part. He goes into 7-figure personal branding, creating amazing content, SEO secrets, affiliate marketing game plan, and a bunch of other bonuses for $9.97, guys. But with my link today, with this whole coronavirus stuff going on, he's been able to drop it down with my link. If you actually click on my link below, you will get his discounted price for, let me show you, $7.97, which is very cheap. I paid $2,000 for his course. Like, it's crazy that now he has it down to this price. So take advantage of that. Join my group. Let's get mentored together. Let's work on this. Let's build a successful affiliate marketing brand. But if you like one of the other business models, go ahead, join any of those as well. I just want you guys to succeed, and let's make this happen. So again, thanks for watching, guys. This was Mike Valle with ImproveYourLifeToday.com, and let's end it with this quote that I love right here: when we all help one another, everybody wins. So to the best success, guys. Let's get it.